Yo, YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy, Shy City Trucker, checking back in with you guys. Man, I'm going to start off and let you guys know I'm here live on location at the Edwardsville Terminal. We're going to talk about that place right over there, the shop. I'm going to tell you exactly what happened, my experiences, and why I'm making this video today. So my bunk heater went out. It's been out for a while, and I've been idling the truck so far, and I know better than that because it'll clog up the DPF system and the one box and all that. So I said, let me go in here and get it done. If anybody knows about the Edwardsville terminal here, Edwardsville, Illinois, they don't do big numbers, okay? Especially not the shop. I don't care what they say. Not like Dallas, not like Charlotte. It's not a ton of work, and I know that. So I watched the shop for about a couple of hours, about 2-3 hours. Nobody's in there, not one truck. It's a ghost town around here, right? So I go in there and I say, hey, I got a bunk heater issue. Is there any way I can get it fixed? I'm an IC. Oh, I'm so backed up. We're short-handed. Oh, there's no way I can get to it. Man told me out his mouth I should take it to another facility. So I said, you know what, fine. I walk back to my truck. I leave. I get halfway to my truck. I said, you know what, that's not fine. I go back in there, and all of a sudden he can do it. He asked me, was it your S-Bar or was it your tri-pack? And when he said that, it kind of blew a light bulb off in my mind. I said, wait a minute, this guy don't want to do no work. Because if it was one or the other, that dictates to him how much work he would have to do. So that just really grinds my gears when you're here to get some service and there's nobody here. I can see if they got a line out the door. I can honor that. I can respect that. But when I feel as if you don't want to do any work, I have a problem with that. So, now everybody knows my shop is Laredo, but I'm 1,000 miles away from Laredo, and that's not going to work for me. So we want to get it done here. We're going to get it done here. We're not going to take no for an answer. Secondly, what I wanted to bring to you guys' attention, man, is a dash cam. I know I'm late getting one. The one I currently use is a, what do they call this? An 8-man. If you guys can see it, it's an 8-man by, that's the company's name, 8-man. But it's a pretty good dash cam. $40 on Amazon. Can't beat that. I'll show it to you guys right here. So it's got nice resolution. That's not really picking up too well. But it's got nice resolution. $40. I've been trying it out for about a month and a half, 2 months now. So I could have got one way more expensive through Amazon. Not Amazon, the Rand McNally one. But I'm noticing a lot of guys having the same problems with it's saying it's full. It's saying that a bunch of different error codes and it won't stick to the windshield. So I said, I'm going to try this one. And if I like it, fine. Only thing I had to do for $40, it doesn't come with a memory card. So you put another memory card in there. You buy it on your own. That's that. But that's my 2 cents, man. That shop right over there. Got one truck in there, man. One truck, and he's so busy. Can't do it, man. There's nothing we can do. So, man. But hopefully we'll, get some of those, but get that fixed and start heading, I think, to North Carolina. Then from North Carolina, we're looking for a load to Texas. From Texas, we're looking to go home for Christmas. After Christmas, then we'll, try and do it all over again. So, man, from then till now, Edwardsville, you guys got to do better. Very, very disappointing, but hey, that's trucking right. So from then till now, you guys check me out, all right?